What up, guys? CP the Tool Addict. Woo! How's it going? Here we go. Flyer number 24, and this is region 13 and 18. Now, I'm going to explain this to you real quick here. You see this little number up here, 13 and 18? That is region 13 and 18. That may be different than your region. There's 5 regions that I know of. The other one is a 12, 16, and 20, I believe, maybe. Something like that. But I did have a subscriber that literally was kind of up in arms because he said on the last flyer he tried to get something and his dealer said that wasn't available at that price. You might run into that, so know that beforehand. This is a warning before you watch this. These prices might not be available in your region, or the product might not be available in your region. So and I thought I would explain that. The other thing I want to explain is, yes, I am doing it in vertical format again because 90% of you watch my videos on your phone. And if you're watching on your phone, you can hold it vertical, up and down, and you're going to get a full screen on it, and it just seems more natural than turning it vertical or horizontal. And, you know, we're just going to keep testing on this, whatnot, until somebody says different. YouTube changed the platform, so you can do this now, and I actually enjoy watching the video myself, personally, if I was going to look at a flyer review video like this. So, anyways, let's move on and enjoy the show. $11.99 for the Maxis Flex Diagnostic Scan Tool. This is a launch platform, and I definitely like this scan tool. I have launch stuff. You guys know I use launch Diagon, and I love it. Works pretty good. I can't complain about it. It has done more than I've asked it to, that I expected it to, and never let me down when I needed it to. So, great platform. $11.99 for the Maxis Flex. I don't know what this one all is based on or what kind of deal, but for $14.40, you can get the full Max MDF Flex full software unlock. Not sure exactly what all that entails. I just haven't got into talking to Matco about a whole lot about their launch or their Flex system or whatnot, but definitely full coverage with annual updates, customized monthly subscription, enhanced code reader tablet. I do know that you don't get a J-box with some of them, so that definitely can weigh heavily on some guys' decisions too, because just a Bluetooth is really a really high-end code reader. With a J-box, you can do some programming, but, you know, whatever. That's for you diagnostic junkies. Next up, cordless versus air. Love it when they put this on the same page. It's almost like a fight right away. I can almost hear people saying, oh, still leave that left side of the page out. Well, guys, for a 2-year warranty, you can get a 700 foot-pound impact that's $315, or you can spend price per foot-pound of torque. You know, you're going to look at spending $1,500 for something that's heavier. And for guys who want to save money, this is why I would say air. This is a 3/4 inch. Obviously, a mechanic is not a normal auto mechanic's going to want that, but still, $800 might be a little bit too much to swing. The air is still a good option for guys to save some money. Always a big controversial deal. We got the 330. I'm going to call this the fastest ratchet the fastest electric ratchet on the market, and 35 max foot-pounds of torque, $435, and it comes with, it's a 16 volt, comes with 2 batteries, I hope, for that kind of money. And I don't know much about them other than I have had one guy that said that his failed because the head spread. Matco blowgun kit. This is the time to buy a blowgun if you're going to buy them, because this is the best way to buy them in these tips. And this blowgun is still, in my opinion, one of the best ones out there, especially if you're blowing out cooler lines, you're changing transmissions, stuff like that. These nice different tips are definitely handy for certain situations to get into bigger areas to blow and whatnot. 70 Boss 429 Mustang diecast, really cool. $84. $50 for the blowgun, by the way. $50.95. Max Pro Power. $449 for the jump pack. Let's see if we can get a little snippet of what we got for, you know how I am. 4,500 peak amps, which that makes that bigger than the GB150. GB150 is a 4,000 peak amps, but don't get fooled by that number. That doesn't mean diddly squat, because that's really doesn't matter. Now this is an intelligent jump pack, maybe. Is this lead acid? Smart charger technology, so that means it's probably lithium. And you know, it's probably not a bad price for $449 with the lithiums and whatnot in that market, in that range. Whether or not the pack will actually produce what it produces, that would be something that I would ask my Matco dealer and kind of get into a little bit of research. But that's the kind of the ins and outs of these things, and literally knowing what you're getting into. Lithium ion and smart chargers, a lot of guys like them, and they are recommended on most new cars because of electrical systems, but in my opinion, they're not always needed, and they're more expensive for what they deliver. We got a 3-piece locking extension set. One $18.95, 3, 6, and 12. We got some thin wrenches for $175. We got some plastic oil drain plug set, which is new to the Matco tools, for $44.95. Then we have an ADV 1/4-inch 10-point SAE 6-point impact socket set. Toolboxes. They're self-proclaimed the best boxes in the business. I guess if I was selling toolboxes, I'd say they're the best too. That's still up to people's options. That's people's opinions. I don't know who claimed them that, but that's opinions, guys. We got the Matco 80-tooth long 1/4-inch drive 11-inch fixed head with ergo handle for $93.58, and you can take the handle off if you prefer the chrome for $85.38. Then we have the Power Probe Tech torch for $58.95. That torch has been around for a long time. Some guys swear by it. We have this kit right here, Fuel Saver Master Kit. I've been wanting to get this kit for a long time, and I just haven't chewed off the fat to buy it. I believe IPA is the actual manufacturer of this kit. And it is nice because these little buttons right there are fuse resetters. So instead of blowing your fuses, this is just a much better time because it's got breakers built into them. 5, 10, 15, 20, and 30 amps. Dual type fuse box connector with a 10-foot cord. Buzz alert fuse box adapter. I don't need to read this stuff to you guys, but it definitely, I've used one before, and I can tell you that if you don't like replacing fuses, this is what you should be doing. Pull the fuse, plug this in, and let this thing go. And that way, when you trip it, you just have to push a button. Especially if you're doing any electrical diagnostics, which on most cars right now, that would definitely be what I would be wanting to get. Why are you so fuzzy? Why are you so fuzzy, fella? I think it's the picture. It's not me. We've got the old carbon pile load tester. Some might say this is obsolete. $179.95. I do believe they still have a place if you want to put load testers on, and some guys still use them for certain things. You got tractors out there, machinery, whatnot. Master Relay Bypass Kit, made in the USA. That is an interesting test kit, too. One that I would definitely be looking for to probably get. I definitely like that stuff. Oakley sunglasses, no price, the turbine rotor. We've got a Work Sharp benchtop angle knife sharpener set, $59.95. Work Sharp makes great products. We've got a Maxxis Code Reader Pro for $322. Nice little code reader. I always say code readers are still relevant, or still something to have, even at a high level diagnostic tech, because they can clear codes out fast, and picking up a nice one is definitely not terrible. Pick sets. We have the long hook with cushion grip, $42.69, and the long hook. What's the difference here? Oh, so one's a smaller set. Yeah, you don't need all those. I'll tell you, I bought that set a long time ago. Found I didn't need out all those. This set's probably going to be good. Most of the time, you're going to use that one and that one and that one. The three out there. $27.50 for that. So take your pick. We got the best is now bigger, the 4-piece large hyperstep drill bit set, and I have a video that's going to be coming out one of these days when I get a chance to place it into a spot where I feel like I don't have anything coming in to do. But I have a video that I made, and it's already uploaded about the hypersteps. That I think my 1-year review on them. After owning them for a year, I've got some beefs with them, and I got some positivities with them. Mount swivel C&E light here, the swivel cob floodlight for $77.95. I still, honestly, these are still my favorite damaged fastener removers over here. We've got and I bought mine from Matco. I don't believe I paid that much for it, but I can't remember. But these are the hex grip rounded bolts, hex grip bolt removals. And the design in here you'll see is like an octagonal spherical type deal. They definitely grab the bolts and you can put them back on. I've had to use it and it's actually saved my butt 3 times since I've had it, which paid for the tool completely itself. I don't know why. That set is definitely one that I have having a hard time saying that it's not the best one out there. They are stout. They are a little bit big. But after using my Mac ones, I definitely like these still a little bit better. Lisle creepers, Matco creepers, inline skate creepers. I will tell you another thing. People always bag on rebranded creepers and you can just buy the Lisle one. Well, guess what? They use these wheels on them. Lisle does not warranty them. And I believe that, yes, it doesn't say on here, but my Matco guy warrantied out my buddy's creeper. These wheels, he really likes these wheels. This creeper is an awesome creeper. I love this creeper to death. I have one. Does not have those wheels on it, but Matco warranties them out with those wheels, so if something happens. Definitely a good deal, and another reason why you should buy from a tool truck on this, because these creepers eat wheels up. And I know Lisle doesn't pay them. Yeah, you can pay $50 for it, but you're going to buy it twice. I guarantee it. I guarantee you at some point you're going to buy that creeper again if you buy it from Lisle. Creeper holders, $29.95. Universal creeper holder. We got a new extended clip removal tool. Maybe it's not new. For taking out those long clips, 18 inches long. Hot rolled steel bevel. $45.95. Master spring compressor set. Don't even waste your time. I'll tell you what, guys. This thing right here is a death trap. I don't even know. Most guys have spring compressors. You can find somebody who can have a spring compressor. Even if I was a DIY guy, I'd have a hard time using that. Truck spring tool, $61.50. Don't know how that works. Some other guys might have comment for large trucks. Then we have an ideal for spaces, the 4-piece upholstery pick set, which is a really nice set. I have one from Cornwell. They're made by the same company. I believe it's CTA. We have the 3/8 drive flex drive 3/8 drive flex torque wrench, 15 to 75 foot-pounds for $324. 4-piece long scraper sets, $129. We have the 4-piece SAE flare nut wrench set, $56, and I know this one's going to be a hot topic. I would have to venture to say that these are not American made, first of all. Second of all, I don't know the durability, but they look a little bit thin. $56, they might be okay, but flare nut wrenches, snap-on, is pretty much the long and short of it. I've never heard anybody ever complain about that. We have a $249 Silver Eagle Master 1/4 inch and 3/8 drive set. It's $249.99. I already said that. And then we got some Canadian. Start your own franchise. Matco's trying to bust into the Canadian field. So all you Canadian fellas, if you're looking to get into selling some tools, we got Canada. Ho, 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 Canada. We got the Canada Metalwork sign for $149 and a Canadian banner edge hoodie. No price. Oh, wait. There's a price. Excuse me. $59.95 for medium through extra large, and then the other size is $64.95. Pretty cool, I will say. I give it to you, Matco, once again. We got the Rat Fink stuff. There it is, the Ripple banner. Man, I need to buy one of those, I swear. The wall clock. Some more Matco goodies, $44.50 for some Matco floor mats. An Eagle mug, $35.95. All sorts of Harley Davidson stuff. A ride-free desk pen. And then a ride-free note cube, $26. Some more apparel, hats, $26. Shirts, beanies, coats, you name it, they got it. $60 or whatnot. And then the last but not least, we have the Matco tap and die set, which is a new one. Somebody this has got a lifetime warranty on these, and this has got a ratcheting handle. That's a new deal for the set. Now, I will say, this still would not come in too handy for tapping stuff. A lot of times I could use a tap socket and a ratcheting wrench. Would come in handy for some bolts, some not, just because of the width of it. It's hard to say. They have a different socket, though, for a tap that's put in there, which is kind of neat. It's not a bad deal, and the price is really not that bad. $325. I honestly got to give them to that for a lifetime warranty. The 81-piece master tap and die set, the price $325. Not that bad. You're getting the warranty. You're getting a unique set. That could be all right. You know, that would be all right for a new guy, especially if he needs a tap and die set. So, anyways, guys, that's the video. Matco Tools. Last flyer of the year, gentlemen. I believe so. We'll be probably starting with a new one next year, or I don't know. Well, I guess, yeah, we'll see. Whatever. But anyways, thanks for watching. Appreciate you. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Thanks for watching.